Hey guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a black smoky eye tutorial. So I feel like it's smoky eye season because it's like fall. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it's smoky eye season. So I was like, let's try to achieve the perfect black smoky eye for you guys. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Every time I pray, I thank God I'm not you. She said, I'd rather die on the surgery table before I gotta walk around here looking like you. You wanna beef with me, are you sure? Does she even got a BET award? So now we're gonna prime my eyes with a concealer, and the concealer I'm using is the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. I'm just gonna set that concealer with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Okay, so we're going to be doing like a cool toned gray smoky eye. I know sometimes people blend out smoky eyes with different colors, but I think today I'm going to blend it out with gray. That's just the kind of vibe I'm going for. So I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Instinct palette, and I'm going to take the first shade in that like black row, and I'm just going to blend that into the crease. I'm going to take the second gray and just also blend that into the crease. I'm also going to blend it out on the outer corner, like blending it out. And on that same brush, we're going to take the third gray and just put it slightly lower into the crease. I'm going to take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette just because that's the palette that's in front of me. I mean, I do like this palette, but you can take any white that you have. And I'm just going to put that on top of all those colors just to blend it out some more. I'm going to take the Juvia's Place, the Rebel Grays palette. I'm going to take the only matte shade in that palette. I'm just going to start blending that into my crease. So now I'm going to take the M321 brush, and I'm going to take the black from that Makeup Revolution palette and just blend that into my crease. Okay, and now I'm going to take the Athena palette. You can also use black eyeliner for this, or if you have like a black cream shadow, you can use that. I'm just going to go into the black and pack that on my lid. And then I'm just going to take, I'm using this ABH brush that comes with like the palettes. I'm just taking the flat side. I'm just going to take that black from that palette again and just set the cream black. Now I'm going to blend it out with the fluffy side of that brush. I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Tapered Blending Brush again and just take the third gray and just blend that out. Tell me that's not a perfect smoky eye. Like, you can't, because it is. I'm just kidding. But it does look pretty good. You just want to keep blending. Gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going to go off camera and do my other eye, and then I'll come back with you guys. Y'all hear my dog all loud. I'm going to come back with you guys to do the face and all that good stuff. Maybe, I think I am. If not, I'm definitely going to come back with you guys to do the under eye. Okay. So I did my foundation and my other eye and all that good stuff off camera just because that's not really what this is about. So I was like, let's just do my foundation, all that good stuff off camera. So now we're going to do our under eyes. Basically, we're going to take the third gray from that palette and pat that under our eye using a M213 brush. We're also going to take the black I don't know what I want to do for lips. I don't think I want to do like a black lip. I feel like that might be too much. So let's just do like a nude lip. I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Downtown Beauty and line my lips with it. I think for the lashes, I'm going to use the Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes. I always take my lash glue, which is the Duo Lash Glue, in the clear one with like the brush, and I brush it on the lash. I also take it and put it on my lash line because I feel like it sticks better to a sticky surface, obviously, than like a non-sticky surface. I put a little bit too much blush on today, but that's okay. That's okay. Blush blindness is real over here. Or I guess it's not real because I can like realize when I put a little bit too much blush on. It's okay. We love blush over here. I used to not like blush. Isn't that crazy? I feel like I used to like hate it. I feel like maybe if you go back to like my videos, like when I first started YouTube, I'd be like, I don't use blush because I don't like it. And now I'm like, I love blush. Give me blush. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for the perfect fall smoky eye. I love it so much. I love that I did kind of like gray instead of like a burgundy or like a different color for like the crease shade, because I feel like it's very smoky, if that makes sense. Like it looks a lot like smoke. And yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload, because especially if you like spooky videos, because I have a spooktorial series coming up in October where I do a bunch of spooky type Halloween type makeup videos. So if you like those, if you like makeup, if you like me, please subscribe, turn on my post notifications and all that good stuff. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below. And yeah, watch another video. Like I said, get ready for Spooktorial because I'm super excited for this year's Spooktorial. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!